Hey, I'm Sarah and this is our overnight restore routine. I have to say, this is my evening routine exactly in this box that I do 3 nights a week. Now, I don't know about how you're all feeling at home, but I don't think I've ever been more desperate for a season change. And I feel like I spend my entire hourly walk with my little boy looking for all the little green shoots and that little promise of spring. And I feel like we've thought really hard about spring gifting this year. You know, what do we really need and what does our skin really need? And it's definitely all in this little collection. So I'm going to show you what's inside. So to start up, you've got this lovely sleeve on the box. There's no price on it at all. So if you are gifting it, so if we're thinking about Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, Mother's Day, Easter, or those birthdays at the beginning of the year, then it's a really lovely option to go for. But you've also got a little bit of an explanation and a how-to on the back of the box too. It is, of course, always with Earle recyclable too. And then you've got the gorgeous box. So the design on here is inspired by the eucalyptus from Cleanse and Polish, and hidden within the leaves are some really lovely little messages, but I'll leave those for you to discover. So let's take a look at what's inside. I always love our boxes because they're really sturdy, which means they're brilliant to reuse as well. So in here you've got 100 ml of the Cleanse and Polish, 50 ml of the Instant Boost Skin Tonic, and then a full size of the CICA Paste, which has pretty much been dubbed our sort of lockdown skin hero. But I'm going to give you some hints and tips, especially around season change and coming into spring as well. So your Cleanse and Polish, that is your twice a day, every day. But when you're using it on an evening, what's really lovely to do is just spend some time, not a lot, but just some really simple, very slow and gentle massage moves can really just help relax the muscles and release any tension as well. So just working really gently and kindly along the jaw and the cheeks, always sort of working outwards and down, and then just doing some really lovely lifting on the brow and the forehead is a really nice way to prepare for a good night's sleep. And coming into season change, especially spring, there is nothing more satisfying than a new cloth. So these are one of the secret ingredients of your Cleanse and Polish. So they're going to lift away the cleanser, but with that, they're buffing the skin and almost really getting it ready to sparkle again. But it also makes the rest of the products that you apply afterwards even more effective. So your Instant Boost Skin Tonic, this is like your drink of water or your veil of hydration for your skin. So you can apply this to a cotton pad and sweep over the face, that's brilliant. But if you're finding that your skin is a little bit drier and dehydrated at the moment, then one of my little hints and tips with this product is that you can just pop it straight in the hand and just work it directly into the skin. It's almost like you get an extra little massage for your skin, but you're just putting it neat on the skin. So it's a really nice little tip, but it's also brilliant actually throughout the day. So if you're finding that you've been in front of the laptop or you just need a little bit of a time out, just pop some Instant Boost Skin Tonic on the hands and just give it a sort of a sweep over the face. You're going to get that hydration, but honestly, just having a little deep breath with that as well is incredible, because I love the rose scented geranium and the calendula in there. And last but definitely not least is the CICA Paste. I have to say, becoming one of my all-time favourite Earle products. So this is your sort of 3 nights a week treatment, and within this magical tube you get 48 hours hydration for the skin. So it's a really, really good boost of moisture, but it's also going to visibly improve imperfections on the skin while you sleep. So it's a seamless mask. So all you do is just apply a fine layer after you've done your cleansing and your toning. So all you do is apply, sleep, and then remove on with your morning cleanse. So what I love about it is there's no sort of faffing with it. It's not one of those masks that you have to put on and time and take off. You literally just do that, apply, sleep, and remove, and you notice a big difference in the morning. And I think that's a little bit of magic that we all need in our skincare routine right now.